Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download the new iRemoval Premium version 4.0. So this version, as you know, all servers were down. You couldn't bypass the iOS 18.3.1 to iOS 18.4.1, but now you can update iOS 18.5. So what you want to search is IREMOVAL.com. Here as you can see, it says IREMOVAL Pro Premium Edition 4.0, and then you wanna go ahead and download it. I won't download it, but I have already downloaded it. So I'm just gonna show you how to. I'm just gonna show you the updates of it. As you can see, it says I will bypass iOS 18.2 to iOS 18.5. Very low price with signal. Bypass all 8 plus without signal. Notification or something like that. So me, I have already downloaded it. So I'm just gonna open it to show you that the tool is really available. Yes, and now I'm speaking. You can see the date is today is on the 21st of May. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. As you can see, it's back online. As you can see, the tool is back online. Now you can bypass iOS 18.5 and below without signal. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe.